Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do when your auto brightness is not working on your NUBIA Air. So, what do I recommend doing at first is going straight into the settings over here, and now scrolling down to the display. Of course, if you don't miss it here. Now disable this option. Set the brightness level, for example, to the minimum, but so that you can see it something. And now when it's set to minimum, enable this option, and now check it works. If after the reset this option works, you haven't had a problem. That's nice. But if it doesn't work still, what I do recommend is to take a microfiber cloth, such like this one, and wipe the camera over here. It needs to be nice and clean over here near the camera. It's because it needs it needs just to see something for the camera. For example, the environment, light, amount, etc., etc. And this should fix your issue. But if it still doesn't fix your issue, what I recommend is to click the volume up and power button, click restart and restart. This will restart all the sensors and all the modules in your phone, but we want to focus, of course, on the sensor, which is the light sensor, and this will reset this sensor. So let's wait for a moment until we see that our phone is booted up. Now, as I can see this, and let's go to the settings back again and check if that option works. Display, brightness level almost minimum, disable, enable. As I can see, mine works. If yours does, that's nice because we have fixed an issue. But if it still doesn't, we have to do something else. So let's go back. And here, scroll all the way down. Tap System and Update and tap Reset Options. Here, as I can see, we do have all the things, but we have to tap Reset App Preferences. Tap Reset App Preferences, and I know that it comes only to applications, but some application may overlap and force the display to not work properly, and if we reset it, this should work. Apart from that, the last resort, when it comes to reset, do a factory reset in your phone. This would help you because sometimes it's just the corrupted files. But if you don't want to reset your phone, we can go back and tap System Update. Here, tap Allow. If you do have any updates pending, update your phone immediately. It's because you may have some quick display fix in your updates. As you can see, the version is 15.0.5, so that means that there was not only one fix for this version, so it might be common. That's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.